Umentri rangba kajela ukondrat kiesangma hakashitari yoyong araja arpunrio ulasam ya kikusna Meghalaya IT Awards araja arpunrio shaki Samla puli ki bawan Khmat na ki Eksam class 10 but class 12 ki badai jongs nam puli araja arpusan kata ki bala penyat daka embos ICSE but CBSE haga jingelang ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Yakane ke program penkoburam yaki Samla puli la penlong dakatanat Information Technology and Communications balawan banyalan bentalang ru dau ba lakmen remboi umentri berikmi yakatanat puli. Kum si benta ka program la sam yaki laptop kum ki khusnam syaki Samla puli dau menteri rangba bat na ki wei ki bayadan lang. Haunus nam ki dan Baroh arspa laingot ki Samla puli ki blapa si ki Eksam class 10 but class 12 kata shispa lai puai ngot na ka embos san puai ngot na ka CBSE but ar puai ngot na ka ICSE. Ladon ru ar ngot ki Samla puli ki badan jigduna hagi Khmat ki beli Pdiang yaki khusnam.
Today is your day, the day which the government of Meghalaya through the initiative of Honorable Chief Minister that it be recognized here. IT, digital world is a way of life, which we have, whether we like or we like, we are into it. And I'm very happy with the government of Meghalaya initiative to give an opportunity to each one of you. 203 of you are here. This recognition is not only the recognition of your hard work, but also an investment by the government in you. Because the aim of the government that each and every youth of today, they should contribute. And what more? Contribute by lending a helping hand. Helping hand in the sense that the government has given this laptop so that it will be a gateway to the virtual world, which you could empower yourself in the days to come. This initiative is not only one. We have seen that the government of Meghalaya, under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, have taken so many initiatives, especially for the student. We know that scholarship have been given to many students. But we know that there are some students which could not meet the criteria to receive the scholarship. Honorable Chief Minister go out of his way to spend more than 60 crore only for the CM scholarship scheme, which is given to every student 6,000 each. This is a small amount, but we must recognize that there is a leadership, there is a government who recognize, who want to acknowledge your contribution, each one of you. And more importantly, we know that each one of you have a different knowledge, different skills, and different gift of God. That's why we want to inculcate in you, in the youth of today, in the future youth, that skills, knowledge in you is very, very important. That's why the government of Meghalaya, on the 16th of January 2026, have introduced that there will be one subject from the elementary school till class 10, which is the community integrated skills learning. This is a very, very important subject. It's very new, but it will be helpful to every youth so that it will empower them in enhancing their skills from their childhood onwards. Because it's very difficult to acquire the skills when you are at the advanced age. But it is very easy for you to enhance your skills at the young age.
With technology and different political situations in the geopolitics that's happening in the world today, the norms and the way normal things work may not apply tomorrow, literally. And as the students and as the youth of the state and the country, and one of the brightest minds of our state, you will be expected to create different avenues and find solutions and innovations in this ever-changing global world that we are in today. And when I say that, I don't say it with a sense of any kind of thought to depress you or to make you feel negative about the world. But it's the reality of what's happening in the world today. Just in the morning, I was reading an article that I think Oracle, obviously you all know, had just laid off 11,000 people in India today. And some more are to be followed in the next 1 month. And I was reading another article yesterday which spoke about almost every IT firm mentioning that a large number of people will be laid off in the, in different parts of the world because of the changing technological platforms. And what is important for us to note is that in those kind of situations, opportunities come up. And though it's easier said than done, but that's how the world moves forward. It happens in every single revolution or every single technological revolution that we see. And therefore, this is again one of those very, very critical moments where we will see that change taking place. I want to share with you one very exciting story in the middle of all this depressing information and news that I'm giving you. Is that we just started an IT firm, or IT park, And before 2018, this IT park, of course, was not complete. In 2008, when I was IT minister for a brief moment, I had envisioned that there should be an IT park. After that, governments changed. The IT park was put in the cold storage. And when 2018 came again, I took up the project again as chief minister and started the IT park. And today we are already constructing the second phase and also an IT park in Tura. But the first IT park that we created, today we have large number of firms who are working there, and they have set up their base and they've employed hundreds of people, and everything from artificial intelligence work to work in the SAP that's going on. I think forgot the name, but I think it's the S4 HANA. I think those of you who know about technology, that's the change in the overall enterprise resource planning (ERP). That shift and the migration is taking place from the S3 to the S4 HANA. I just wanted to, as I said, let you know that we are here to really appreciate and give a small pat on the back to tell you that we are all very proud of you. And that's really what the purpose of today's program is. It's not the value of the laptop, it's not the value of us standing here, but it's the value of all the hard work that you put in. So, I remember a young friend had come and gave a speech out here saying that please give a round of applause to the IT department. I think it should be the other way around. I think if I could request all our officials and the VIPs who are present, let us all stand up and give a round of applause to the students. Yeah, parents can get up, students can sit.
Habatin, pej bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya